Welcome back students. I am your geography teacher Vandana Joshi and you are watching SST June. Students, in our new unit climate we have studied about the Indian monsoon, in which we have studied about the mechanism of Indian monsoon in the different season as winter and the summer season. So in our today's video we are going to study about the nature of Indian monsoon, in which we will study about the different nature of Indian monsoon, which is basically based on few aspects as the onset of monsoon. Second aspect is rain bringing system and the relationship between their frequency and distribution of monsoonal rainfall. And the next aspect is the break in the monsoon. So let's start our today's topic, the nature of Indian monsoon and its different aspects. The systematic studies of the causes of rainfall in the South Asian region helps to understand the causes and silent feature of monsoon. Particularly some of important aspects, as I already told you, these are onset and landward advance of the monsoon. That another is the rain bringing system. Next is the breaking in the monsoon. So let's start what is the onset of the monsoon. During April and May, when the sun shines vertically over the Tropic of Cancer, the large landmass to the north of Indian Ocean gets heated intensively. This causes the formation of low pressure in the northwestern part of the subcontinent, and the high pressure is to the south of landmass. So the southwest monsoon may thus be seen as a continuation of the southeast trade winds towards Indian subcontinent. In other words, we can say the onset of monsoon due to the rapid rise in temperature in May over northwest India. The air pressure decreases and the low pressure is established there. To fill up this area of low pressure, the air is stuck in from of the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. The southeast trade winds of the southern hemisphere also join the air circulation over India as the southwesterly wind. The southwest monsoon strikes on the coast of Kerala in the first week of June and slowly it extends northward. It is known as the onset of monsoon. One most important and noticeable thing is there is a role of the Himalaya and the Tibetan highlands in the developing the southwest monsoon. According to this theory, the easterly jet streams owes its origin to summer heating of the lower atmosphere above the Tibetan highlands. The two streams air flowing out of this landmass at the tropospheric level take opposite direction. One of them flows towards the equator to replace the air that crosses the equator at the surface level, while the other is deflected towards the pole. The frequency of the tropical depressions originate from the Bay of Bengal varies from year to year. The rain-bearing system and the rainfall distribution is totally connected with the rhythm of seasons, about which we will study later. Now let's see what is the break in the monsoon. The monsoon winds blow in southwest direction on the west coast. These are highly charged with water vapors. It advanced rapidly over west coast. The rain began rather suddenly in the first week of June. The sudden onset of rain is often termed as monsoon burst. The rainfall is heavy, accompanied the thunder and lightning. The rain is so sudden and heavy that it appeared as a balloon of water has been burst. The sudden onset of monsoon is called the burst of monsoon or breaking of monsoon. Now let's see what is the rhythm of season which is connected with the rain bearing system. The meteorologists usually recognized four seasons as the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the southwest monsoonal season, and the retreat of monsoon season. About the characteristics of the rhythm of seasons we will study in our next video. Now we will see what are the significance or how we can identify the rhythm of the different seasons. So let's see. If we talk about the cold weather season, it starts in the mid-November in northern India up to February. The mean temperature is 21 degrees centigrade. December and January are the coldest month in the interior parts of the country. Students, about the cold weather season, we have already studied in our last video, in which we have studied about the characteristics and the mechanism of the monsoon in the winter session. Now let's talk about the hot weather season. April, May and June are the months of summer in North India. The temperature range is between 30 degree to 32 degrees centigrade. We have also studied about the hot weather season in our last video. The link has been given in the description. Now let's see what is the southwest monsoonal season. July, August and September are the month of southwest monsoon. By early July, the low pressure are powerful enough to attract the southwest winds coming from the Indian Ocean. These monsoon winds are divided into two branches. That first is the Arabian Sea and the second is the Bay of Bengal branch. If we talk about the season of retreating monsoon, the months of October and November are known for retreating monsoon. It is marked by clear sky and rise in temperature. The land is still moist. Owing to high temperature and humidity, the weather becomes rather oppressive. This is commonly known as October heat. Students, here we have studied about the nature of Indian monsoon. Also, we have studied about the four seasons of Indian weather. Students, in our next video, we will study about the characteristics of Indian monsoon and the Köppen's weather scheme in our next video. So for that, keep watching SST June.